Make noise. Making noise with my son's amplifier that he made. A little Fender Champ knockoff for some of his own tweaks. So he's got a 12X7 and an EL84. And volume and tone. And just the simplicity of it. And it's right now, the tone is dined and it's on 5. And this is how many watts, son?
Probably about 3.5 the way I have it.
3.5, and it's dirt loud. Amazon Telecaster, $100 guitar, all imported everything. But in the center position, it's hum canceling, so that's why you don't hear anything here. But when I go over to the bridge, when I go over the neck, you hear all the line noise. So, but golly, this thing has a lot of chunk to it. This thing's not intonated, so don't judge me. You know. Pure Fender tone. I mean, straight up. Neck pickup. I don't even know the song, I'm just noodling it. This is fun. I would sit on my porch all day with my Telecaster and just have the neighbors going, "What are you doing, Tony?" This is fun. This is cool. You get into like this Angus and Malcolm territory when you're right at this stage. If I push it any more than this, the low end's going to start getting compressed and clipping to the point it sounds like somebody ripped the speakers. And I wouldn't recommend doing any high gain pickups with these. I just low to medium, like vintage voiced pickups, and it's pure money. And this is a speaker my son made. He made the cabinet. It's his own design.
It's based off of an old Carlson cabinet.
Yeah.
Can post some links on it later, but
I'm probably ripping the speakers on it now as we look at it.
And this is with no global feedback. As of right now, the switch does nothing because I made a mistake in wiring, and I'll fix it later. But that's it for now. I'll post some more stuff once I do some tweaks to it. And this is my father, Tony Flying Squirrel.
Hi.
So say hi to all the guys on TD Pry.
All right.